Here I've got Samsung Galaxy Z Flip, and let me show you all the secret codes that you can use on this device. So at first you have to open your phone dialer, and here in keypad you can enter the first code, and this one is *pound 06 pound. This is the shortest one, and it will provide you with unique numbers assigned to your device. So if you would like to check, for example, email number, smoothly enter this code and be provided with details. Here you've got them. Click on OK to go back. That would be all for the first code. Let's go to the second one, which is pretty easy as it's *pound 1234 pound. And as you can see here, you can check your firmware version, so just enter this code and see model and the detailed software version. Let me go back, and now we will open super useful test mode, which is *pound or *pound. And as you can see, now we are in test mode and you can check several features. So for example, if you would like to test your display, here you've got red, green, blue, black displays, solutions, resolutions, so just click on red, and as you can see it's working properly. Green, perfect as well. Blue, also good. And black also looks fine. If you'd like to turn off black, you have to tap on power key because it's working a bit different. Then you can check the receiver. As we all can hear, it's working just fine. And then vibration, I don't know if you can hear it, but I can both hear and feel it. It is working good. And also you can check mega cam, grip sensor, touch, speaker, sub key, front camera, Hall IC, MST test, loopback version, and also sub display. So that will be all for this code. Just pick whichever feature you would like to test, click on it, and then check if it's working properly. Another code is *pound 0011 and pound at the end. And here you've got the service mode, so here you've got information about your SIM card if it's included, but I do not have it inserted. If you will click on the more icon, you will have some more options. So let me go back, that will be all for this code. Another one, the longest, is *pound 268 366 2 and pound at the end. And here you've got the advanced service mode, so as previously, here you've got the details, and if you click on the more icon, you can come along with some further functions. So let me go back, and another code is *pound 0228 pound. Okay, so I forgot about the asterisk. And here you can check the battery status, so if you would like to check the current voltage, the current battery level, smoothly enter this code, and here you've got all the necessary info. And the very last code is *pound 0808 pound. And here you can change the USB settings, so if you would like to change some setup for your USB cable, smoothly enter this code, and by selecting the particular one, you can change the setup. So this is it. These are all secret codes that you can use in your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip. Enjoy and use them as often as you need to. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.